Hi guys, today we're going to talk about me and my mom's dreams.
Ano yung dreams natin?
And if you don't know me, I'm Jairus Valdi Rubio.
And you are?
And I am 6 years old.
Wow, you're only 6 years old, really?
And who don't know, and who, for those who don't know my birthday, February 14, 2013. I know it's not 2013, but it's 2019 for those who don't know.
You will be turning 7.
Yes. And then I hope when I'm 9, guys, we're gonna buy our future RV.
What is an RV?
An RV is somewhere where you live, but on wheels.
Oh, so what inside in the RV?
Basically, house stuff like a fridge, a bed, some tables that turn into beds.
Really? Is that a mean of transportation? It's like a bus? It's like a van? What is it looks like?
It looks like in the outside a van,
Oh.
but in the inside it looks like a house.
Oh, really? So it looks like I have a house inside
And
a
also
van.
it has a bunch of cool things. Leave me a comment if you know about an RV. Leave me a comment if you know an RV.
Okay.
Bye. See you next video. Bye.